Okay, so I'm here on the train and just boarded, and it's a really nice one. It's a double-decker. According to my friend, when he heard what train it was, he was excited. He says it's got a dining car, club car, and observation deck. And I get here and I find out that yes, plugins. So it's going to be all about the laptop today. So more later.
Send me a picture. I couldn't do that.
Alright. There we go. Very nice accommodations. And we're moving. There's Kansas City on the side.
Tent City.
Already firing up the laptop, and just gonna give periodic updates here and edit it into one big long video, which I'll post, which that'll be long before you see this. That's all for now. Alright, how's that for a view? Nothing but snow all around. Alright, here we are in the observation area. All the nice seating where you can just kind of sit and view. It's called the Sightsee Lounge. So I might end up coming out here and hanging out for a little bit later, but I thought I would just take a tour right now. And let's see what we got. Got tables, water. Very nice. Looks like this is a little place to eat and everything. A little sink over here. But right now I'm down on the lower level. Like I said before, it's a double-decker. But you see the view out there. But I'm gonna go back up. Go find the stairs. Back to the observation. Okay. What trip to a train would be complete without a trip to the restroom? Or the pod, as I should call it, because it is about 2 inches by 2 inches by 3 inches. Considering I'm only about 2.5 inches tall, well, some would say. But, yeah, this is what I have to use. I don't know. Kind of scary. Alright, down here on the lower level in the cafe, where I've just purchased a soft drink. And I've got this nice little table to sit at here. This sure beats driving, I know that. But more and more to show you. But that's all for now. Now I'm sitting in the dining car, and I'm sure the people around me are wondering why I'm sitting here talking to a camera. But that's this part of the trip. And just had lunch sitting across from a gentleman that's an engineer. They do community seating, so kind of weird for an introvert like me, but it worked. That's it for this leg of the video. Okay, so now I'm at Union Station in Chicago, and I've got about a 2-hour layover. But don't feel bad for me because, well, I talked to a lady who had like a 5.5 to 6 hour layover. So I'm feeling pretty good about my 2 hours. But I'm going to be about at the halfway mark of my trip. If the camera's shaking a little bit, it's because I'm freezing over here. I don't know what it is, but it's cold. I must be close to the gates. Not much to say. I'm just sitting here bored. Don't really feel that much like reading right now, but I'm reading and doing this video. But once I get to the next train, I will pick this up again. Later. Okay, so after my layover and an hour delay, we are finally back on the rails. They just turned the lights down, so we can get some rest if we want to, which I'm going to try to, because I've had about maybe 4 or 5 hours of sleep in the last 48, so I'm wiped out. But I'll give you more later. It looks like I'm just on a regular one-level train this time, so no big accommodations, although I do have my trusty little outlet so I can use my laptop or charge my phone and stuff. So that's cool. And it is that time once again to watch in amusement as people stare at me talking to a camera. I'm here in Union Station in Chicago once again. I kind of dropped off on my messages from the trip up because, well, as you can see in my last message, I was so dead tired I could barely keep my eyes open. But it's been a great week, and now I'm on my way back. And I have a 5-hour layover here in Chicago, and so I'm just kind of people watching and enjoying myself doing some puzzle books. Sitting here in the food court. So yeah, just killing the time right now, and thought I'd do a little vlog before I moved on to my next little activity. This is Al out. Still at Union Station. It's lunchtime, and that is what I'm talking about. 4 whole wings, coleslaw, steak fries. Gotta have the hot sauce, definitely. I guess if I gotta wait, I gotta eat good. Okay, it has to be said, I'm on a superliner and I love the superliner, but this bathroom, seriously, only a hobbit could comfortably use this thing. There ain't enough room for me. Bad.